In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. Whether you're managing customer relationships or nurturing leads, handling emails effectively is crucial. HubSpot's interface makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's start by navigating to the right spot in your HubSpot account. Once you're logged into HubSpot, you'll want to head over to the CRM section. This is where all your contacts, companies, and deals are neatly organized. For sending an email, you'll focus on the contacts section, but know that you can follow similar steps for companies or deals if needed. So click on CRM, then choose contacts from the drop-down menu. This is where you can search through your list of contacts to find the person you want to message. After you've located the contact, click on their name. This action will open up the contacts record, which is packed with useful information like previous interactions, notes, and more. It's a great way to quickly refresh your memory about past communications before you draft your new email. Now on to the next step, which is opening the email composer. On the left sidebar of the contacts record, you'll see several icons. Look for the email icon, which is usually represented by an envelope. Click on this icon and it will open up the email composer. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a clean, user-friendly interface where you can draft your email. At this point, you're ready to draft your email. Take a moment to think about what you want to communicate, whether it's a follow-up, an introduction, or a quick update. Clear and concise communication is key. Start by entering your subject line. It should be engaging and to the point. Then move on to the body of the email. HubSpot allows you to personalize your emails with tokens, such as the contact's first name, which can make your message feel more personal and tailored. This is especially handy for maintaining a personal touch in customer relationships. Once you're happy with your draft, you have a couple of options. You can send the email immediately or schedule it to be sent later. If you want to send it right away, simply click the send button. But if you prefer to schedule it for a more strategic time, perhaps when you know your contact is most likely checking their inbox, you can choose the schedule option. HubSpot provides a straightforward scheduling tool where you can select the date and time for your email to be sent. This feature is particularly useful for coordinating emails across different time zones or ensuring that your message lands at the top of your contact's inbox at the start of their workday. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your one-to-one email communications in HubSpot, enhancing your ability to connect with contacts and streamline your workflow. Remember, the effectiveness of your emails not only relies on the content, but also on the timing and personalization you bring to each message. By mastering these tools, you're well on your way to improving your communication strategy and building stronger relationships through HubSpot. Thanks for following along and happy emailing.